find big ass wings like that? And where's the big ass bird that it belongs to? What the? I thought pterodactyls was extinct, honey. What the? Ain't you aggressive? Like the other lady was. Well, at least you washed that off. Washed it off. I give you a plus on that. Yep. Still don't eat it. I don't care how much you season it up, and that's pretty seasonings that you're doing. But y'all always season up the wrong kind of meat for me. What the? Okay, is that a threat? If you trying to threaten me to eat it, I still won't eat it. You're very impressive with them knives, but nope. Nope. I just want to know where you found a bird that damn big. What? I don't understand that kind of language, but okay. Maybe you said what kind of bird it was. I don't know. But what in the... Girl, ain't that hot? What the? Okay, that's how I look. Okay, but I don't want none. I don't want none. Y'all can eat all that. Y'all can eat. No, I don't eat dinosaur. But thank you. But no thank you. I'm just going to sit here and look at you.